Threat actors are constantly seeking to take over your software supply chain and do harm, with many organizations struggling to keep up. Developers are already overburdened by tool sprawl and limited security expertise. And too often, IT security has limited views into the software supply chain, failing to catch security issues even after applications are deployed. Security remains an afterthought, and your customer trust is lost. Businesses need integrated security guardrails that are auditable and actionable at every phase of their software development lifecycle. But introducing these practices isn't easy. It requires a high level of expertise and manual effort. That's where Red Hat can help. We've been delivering trusted open source software and packages that more than 90% of Fortune 500 companies rely on, that are already signed and certified with provenance checks, so you don't have to. Red Hat Trusted Software Supply Chain provides a DevSecOps framework to create applications more securely, and it's backed by over 30 years of proven experience in enterprise open source software. To secure your open source software and third-party dependencies, we prevent malicious code using integrated application security checks that scan for vulnerabilities directly from your IDE as you're writing code. Safeguard your build pipelines with security-focused CI/CD processes that automatically verify the authenticity of components in each build image when the pipeline is triggered, and store trusted build images in an enterprise registry. Block suspicious build activity from being promoted to production using security and approval gates. Improve the security posture of your organization's software supply chain with the ability to prioritize and prevent security issues. And take advantage of continuous runtime security monitoring that instantly detects and responds to suspicious activity using policy-based rules that automatically alert by severity and provide steps to remediate. Grow and maintain your customers' trust with business resiliency that keeps pace with innovation velocity in an open hybrid cloud. Learn how Red Hat helps you consistently code, build, deploy, and monitor a trusted software supply chain to release your applications quickly and more securely for faster time to value. Contact us today.